trying to resuscitate neurons that have died is obviously a strategy that is not going to work. Once the system has degenerated quite a bit, it's actually very hard to restore health. So it's a much smarter strategy to try to prevent those problems in the first place.
Exogenous ketones are known to increase blood flow to the brain and are a valuable energy source in addition for the brain. For many people, they experience improved focus, but there's a large degree of individual variation.
In today's society, because of the type of diet that most people do consume, most people don't have many ketones floating around in their blood. But for our species and most species on the planet, ketones are a totally normal part of physiology. They're made in circumstances when either food availability is low or carbohydrate intake is reduced, and that causes us to create ketones in our liver. So ketones in and of themselves are a very normal part of our physiology. In the past short amount of time that humans have kind of silenced this side of our physiology by consuming a diet that's much higher in simple carbohydrates and eating much more calories and eating more regularly than our ancestors did.
It is really important to make sure that the brain has the energy it needs. We know how important brain function is. Our brains control almost everything that happens in our bodies. It's critical for ensuring that an individual is healthy and functioning.